Today, we are learning the birds' names. Let's start now.
This is an adjutant. This is an adjutant. This is a bat. This is a bat. This is a black drongo. This is a black drongo. This is a cassowary. This is a cassowary. This is a crow. This is a crow. This is a cuckoo. This is a cuckoo. This is a crane. This is a crane. This is a chicken. This is a chicken. This is a cock. This is a cock. This is a cockatoo. This is a cockatoo. This is a coot. This is a coot. This is a dove. This is a dove. This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a diver. This is a diver. This is an eagle. This is an eagle. This is a falcon. This is a falcon. This is a goose. This is a goose. This is a gull. This is a gull. This is a gander. This is a gander. This is a hen. This is a hen. This is a hawk. This is a hawk. This is a heron. This is a heron. This is a hummingbird. This is a hummingbird. This is a hornbill. This is a hornbill.